Hey everybody, John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and today's video of the day is about United Parcel Service, UPS. So UPS, I'm looking at here on the daily chart. You got a bear flag that's set up, but this bear flag isn't that great. I know I like to see the move lower than the follow through. This bear flag was great. This one here doesn't really have a great follow through in front of it. But let me show you something else that makes this more interesting. If we look over here to the right and look at the monthly chart, you can see that we have a shooting star effectively on the previous month. This is the month of July, where we went all the way up as high as almost the 200 EMA here. We got as high as 118.42 and a low of 102.83. So we can use that as a signal for us to potentially get in for a short. And we do have a micro uptrend line on our monthly chart that would also be broken if we were to follow through. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for this shooting star to trigger, and that would be if the bar this month goes through the low of the month of July. That low would be the low of this bar, or 102.83. If it does, let's watch to see if it will continue down through this level here, which is about 98.86 or so. And if it bounces off of that, that's okay. But if it goes through there, then we'd be watching for it to break through this support low, which is at 93.86, and maybe even continue even further down to 82. This could be something that takes weeks or even months to follow through on, but it is a possibility that it could trigger if we break the low of July. This is an opportunity that you have at the beginning of every month to look for monthly chart setups and for them to align. Now, what's happened today? Well, we've kind of gone in the wrong direction here, so it may not trigger. But since this is such a long-term setup, it's possible that we could have a little bit of an up move today and possibly move lower. You can see momentum has kind of flattened out. It's starting to turn up a little bit, but we're still pretty bearish on the daily. So we'll see if this will follow through, and especially if we can watch to see if it breaks through the low of July in the next day or two, or maybe three. And if so, we'll be watching for those two things. Again, the break of the micro trend line, and then if we do continue through that, watch for the previous pivot here and here. If you like this kind of analysis, give us a try for a full month. You can join for just $7 and try out that full month. The details are in the comments below.